Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I saw this different shaped vase at the dollar store and I wanted to try it out. It has a wide mouth, so I ended up just sticking one of my paint bottles under there. And I have it sitting on top of this canvas. Underneath the canvas I have a book because it's kind of heavy. We're going to go ahead and for this vase I'm going to simply use purple, white, and blue. All these colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. You can look down in the description of the video for the exact paints used and my mixing ratios. I'm going to go ahead and fill this cup up. And then we're going to go ahead and pour it. And for anyone who hasn't watched any of my vase videos before, the reason I have it sitting on the canvas is so we don't waste all that paint. And the only thing I've done to prep the vase itself is to clean it with alcohol. And the paint sticks just fine. I generally seal it with the resin. Yeah. So here we go. I'm going to just go ahead and pour some white on top of this. Now this vase does have a dip in the middle there, so I'll have to factor that in. And I'm gonna just go ahead and pour right in the middle pretty much. I think that will be, that white is just gonna help it flow. And I intentionally didn't stick too much white in my cup because I did not want this to be a very light painting, and I'm not using any black. Another common question is how much paint do you need? And I always just put enough paint in my cup to cover the canvas underneath the vase, and I've never had a problem doing that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a minute and let it drip. Once it has mostly stopped dripping, I'll go ahead and lift it up by the paint bottle that is underneath the vase. Actually, another thing I'm going to do is kind of dump out some of that paint from the top. So I'm going to very carefully just tilt it in this direction here, because otherwise it just simply will not dry properly. So there we go. Should be all right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and move this. I have the paint running off the canvas over here, and I don't want too much to run off. So I'm going to go ahead and do the canvas. First, I'm going to move my book so it doesn't get covered in paint. All right. Whoop. Here we go. Cool. That is actually super pretty. I'm loving these colors. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll let the vase drip for another few minutes. We'll let the canvas move around if it's going to move around a little more. And then we'll come back in and we'll do our close-up. Okay, so we're going to start with the vase. Now the easiest way to go all the way around this is I'm just going to rotate this. So I am super happy with this color combination. And it's just 3 colors. Just purple, blue, and white. Whoop, do not drop it. And yeah, I got this pretty, it's actually like a galactic effect almost. Let me go ahead and take this off the tripod, and I'll do a little more close-up on the vase and a close-up on the canvas. So here's the side of the vase. I can't go around the whole thing from this angle, but just super pretty. And here is our canvas, which makes me think of a peacock as usual. Here, let's start lower right-hand corner over here. We got some very interesting cells and lacing in here. I actually really like it though. Over here. And then back down. And I love this middle part. So this kind of makes me think of, like, it's just missing a head. Maybe just put a head right there. It'd be a peacock. But there you go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this color combo and this awesome shaped vase. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next time.